If you are wondering if you can use a non-Apple charger for iPhone 17e, then the answer is yes, you can. You don't have to purchase the original Apple charger or power adapter in order to be able to charge your iPhone 17e. If you happen to have a power adapter made by an Android brand, like for example Samsung, Motorola, Oppo, OnePlus, Xiaomi, etc., then these power adapters are going to work as well. One thing that you have to keep in mind though is that in some cases some power adapters use USB-A port, which is a little bit bigger, and the cable that we get inside the box is USB-C, so ideally you need to either get the power adapter with USB-C port, so smaller than this one, so it fits, the cable fits both the charger and the phone, or you need to use another cable other than the original one, which is of course going to work as well, which is going to be a cable that is USB-A to USB-C, so you can connect it to the phone, and that's pretty much it. Of course, ideally you want to use a brand that is somewhat well known at least. I don't really recommend using knockoffs and stuff like that. And yeah, and another thing is of course a genuine power adapter, so Apple power adapter is going to be the most optimized one, the most suitable one for iPhone 17e. But you are not restricted to an Apple power adapter. So that's it, leave a like and subscribe.